Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, may mga nag-PPM. Yung tanong nito is, ano ba ang mas magandang i-offer sa mga clients? Is it hourly or monthly flat rate? Ako personally, as a business development manager sa call center, no, yung trabaho namin, like what I've mentioned sa previous video ko, we are in charge of making sure na merong client yung call center regularly at nag-expand sila. So, ako, I'm not really into hourly, and I'll tell you why. For one, kasi hourly, imagine this, if you own an agency at umabsent yung isang mong VA, you are losing revenue. On the other hand, kung VA ka naman or freelancer on an hourly, mas micromanaging yung magiging client mo. I'm not saying lahat ganon, pero in my experience, majority nagiging mas micromanaging sila pag hourly. Kasi unang-una, sigurado pag login ka niya sa system nila where you get tracked and monitored, which alam ko ayaw nyo naman yon. Sa flat rate naman, monthly, hindi tayo bound ng per hour billing. So instead, what we can do is more producing the results that we are expecting. So those are my 2 cents. Kaya mas prefer ko yung monthly charging, no, way of billing clients. Mas flexible ka, hindi ka hassle sa oras mo, and at the same time mas mataas yung ma-offer mo. Instead of, kasi nangyayari ang bargaining sa hourly bakit dun sa pork $3 lang yung Pakistani, $5 lang yung taga Cavite, right? Versus pag monthly fixed rate ka, it's non-negotiable. Okay, so yun, I hope nakatulong ito kasi ang dami nag-PPM. I just wanted to shed some light from my own perspective sa business ko, kasi I also own an agency. So yun lang, i-share ko sa inyo guys yung mga iba pang tips on my next videos. But itong topic kasi gusto ko lang i-address kasi once and for all, para alam nyo din what's my take, no? Is it hourly or flat rate? So my vote is go for monthly fixed rate. Okay, bye bye.